Hello, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we will be talking about artificial intelligence. Part 1. What is artificial intelligence? Let's get started. The first question is, what is artificial intelligence? Introduce the concept of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a field where computers or machines are given the ability to think, learn, and perform tasks like humans. Its main objective is to process and interpret information in an up-to-date and secure manner. Highlight real-world applications of AI. Artificial intelligence is widely used in autonomous vehicles, language translation, business operations, healthcare, and much more. Its applications span across various fields, and its progress continues to grow. Part 2. Types of artificial intelligence. Now, let's look at the types of artificial intelligence. Introduce the types of AI. Narrow AI. The first type is narrow AI, which can perform tasks in a specific domain, such as game supply or expert systems. General AI. The second type is general AI, which possesses the ability to achieve complete human-like intelligence. Superintelligent AI. Superintelligent AI refers to an extremely advanced level of intelligence, surpassing human capabilities. Part 3. Benefits and challenges. Now, let's explore the benefits and challenges of artificial intelligence. Discuss the benefits of AI. Efficiency and productivity. AI improves work capacity and productivity through its applications. Automation and streamlining. AI simplifies and streamlines tasks by automating processes. Precision and decision-making. AI assists in deriving precise conclusions and aids in decision-making. Discuss the challenges of AI. Ethical considerations. Ethical and regulatory considerations are crucial when utilizing artificial intelligence. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a significant field in our language that helps us create descriptive connections between words and express their meaning through the lens of quality. It aids in understanding the depths of grammar and contributes to the beauty of language expression. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and best wishes. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. You will find more fascinating videos on our channel. Thank you, and see you soon.